Today, I was fishing with my dad, then suddenly this happened. Got one. Ooh, whoa. Whoa, dude, this guy is not giving up. Oh, that guy was just not moving, just at all. What is going on? Nope, he's back. He's back. Wow. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Hold on. This guy is barely moving right now. He looks kind of big. Yeah. Yeah, looks pretty good. Dang. Well, that's a pretty good one.
Yep, almost 6. Shit. 6. Oh, 595. Jump 595, 64.
Nice.
Let me get that.
Nice.
That's a 6-pounder in my book.
Yeah. After that fish, I did miss this bite. Oh, yeah. Dang. And then I got a huge follow on my top water. Oh, he went up to it and kissed it. And then I got this bass, which was my last fish of the day. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a follow. And comment down below what was your favorite part. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.